It's your boy Hamhead up here doing a video. I'm about to change the design of my Guilty Gear te2 stick, madcatz stick. I really like the stick, but I'm gonna change the design on it, of course, as usual. And I'm gonna record me doing it. I'm getting kind of excited about Ultra Street Fighter 4 coming on PS4 May 26th. I don't know why I've been playing Street Fighter 4 since it came out. I don't know why I'm excited, just because it's coming on a new system. It might bring new competition, you know what I mean? But, so let's get into it. Hope y'all like the design. I got this from, I got the design from, I forgot. The name of the company, the website is called tek-innovations. Y'all probably heard of it if y'all had custom sticks designs before. I actually got him to do the last 3 of my sticks. You know what I mean? He's real good price. The stuff got shipped to me like a week. You know what I'm saying? I ordered it on a Friday. I got it in that following Saturday, so a week. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description to check out his website. Yeah, but let's go ahead and get on with this video, man. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace. Realize, guys, I tried to take this one off first right here, and it actually broke the back off of it, which is not a problem. I got plenty of buttons sitting around. I might just move this over there temporarily because I don't use those buttons anyway. But these don't slide off like my last TE stick. You see these little clips right here? You got to push that, then slide it off. They don't just slide off like the last ones. Push these in right here, like with a little screwdriver, and it slides right off. Let's see if I can just see? Boom. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Don't just try to pull them off like the last sticks that they had. I don't recall these clips being on the last one. On both of all my 3 last sticks I changed, it never had these on them. So I don't know if this was the first time or what, but yeah. So keep that in mind. It's a little clip right here. Push it in, then slide it off. All right. Alright, y'all, that will conclude this video from me modding my stick design wise. I'm thinking about getting an octagon gate for it too. I'm thinking about getting another one cut out. I want one with just 6 buttons because I don't even use the last 2 buttons. That's why you see the last buttons, the one I broke, I put it at the end because I don't even use those buttons. I did plan on playing Mortal Kombat for a while with this stick. That's why I was gonna keep the last 2 buttons, but I don't see that's happening. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Hey, chill out. So be sure to, like I said, check out tek-innovations website, and that's about it. Man, I see y'all May 26th when Street Fighter come out.